how to delete an Instagram post on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to clean up your Instagram feed, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to delete or archive any Instagram post directly from your iPhone in under 1 minute. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and here you'll see all your posts. So just find the post that you want to delete, tap on it, and then you will see three dots on the top right corner. Tap on it and you will see the delete icon that is red in color. If you tap on it and then tap on delete, then the post will be completely deleted. You can however restore this post for the next 30 days from your account settings, but if you don't restore it, then this post will be completely erased from your Instagram app. However, if you just want to hide it, then you can go to the three dots on the top right again and then tap on archive. So archive will just hide your post. And once you archive it, you can tap on the profile again and then go to the three dots and you'll find all of your archive posts here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.